Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, I've clearly explained you there is a U pattern forming. Okay, and this is the buy situation and the second one is also a buy situation. Okay, and chances can be high that if the price moving above level of $3 or 3.4, there is a buy situation coming because there is a clear pattern forming and there is a zone breakout has happened. So chances of touching 3.63 will be there. Okay, now with the price moving above that particular level, chances of crossing a level of 3.6 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout. So further upside,
टमाटर कहाँ नहीं डाल रही मम्मी तुम?
chances are high that once the price
टमाटर डालो वहाँ में।
level, we can
तुम
see
तो
it
खाओ
can go
टमाटर
towards
मम्मी
3.9
अच्छे से।
and from there a level of
डलवा वहाँ टमाटर।
$4.1 and this gap can be filled at
टमाटर काट रहे हैं हमें।
Okay. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. 3.15 is a strong level, so a bounce back can come from that level, but if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see to what? $3, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see. Okay, if it started falling below $3, there is a probability that it can go further low. Okay, coming back, if you look at this particular trend, that the probability if it started going below 2.7, there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see, and then a further fall towards 2.6 will be there. Okay, if you look at the dollar index also, there is a clear indication that there is a chances that the price can go further low because the dollar index started going upside, as I will show you in the chart also. Okay, but 2.3 level is a very strong level, so a bounce back if it comes, we can see then a further upside. If the price started if it's the price moving above a level of 2.38, a further upside, but if it started going below a level of 2.38, chances will be high it will go below a level of 2.67. क्या हुआ? Okay. So if you look at the dollar index, which I have already explained, the dollar index is now trading above a level of 108. So if the price started falling below 108, chances will be high that if the price started going towards a level of 108, a bounce back can come from that level. Okay, but if started falling below this level, it can go towards a level of 106 after falling below a level of 107.5. Okay, and if the price started sustaining above 108, probability of going towards 108.5 will be there, and then it can move towards 109. Okay, after crossing a level of 108.5, and then a further upside movement. But if it started falling below a level of 108, chance of touching 107.5 to a level of 107, and then to a level of 106.5, which you can see these are the strong levels. Oh, a bounce back comes from these levels, or it started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, now understand when, see, if the price started falling below 106.5 to a level 106, this is some of the resistance and supports I'm telling you, so you have to understand this is where a movement comes, a bounce back comes, or a fall comes. So if the dollar started going upside, we can see the natural gas price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar started going down, we can see the natural gas price will go up. Okay, and why I'm saying this, see, you have to understand sometimes they both moves in same direction, so always try to put the SL so it will save your capital, and always try to tail your SL so your profit will be saved. Now coming back again on the natural gas price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see a level of $3.56, and from there a level of $3.6. Okay, once the price started going above this level, probability of touching 3.63 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout. So further upside we can see towards a level of 3.8, and if that sustain, we can see it will cross a level of 3.62. Then there will be a zone breakout. So further upside we can see towards a level of 3.8 to a level of $3.9. Okay, and then there will be a gap we can see at a level of 4.1. So gap will be filled at a level of 3.9 to a level of 4.1 and 4.35. But if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 3.38, and if that didn't sustain, a level of 3.16 will be there. Okay, and then there will be a bounce back. But if that didn't sustain, a level of around $3 we can see. Okay, if the price not moving below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around 2.9 after crossing a level of $3, and then to a level of 2.75. Okay, this 2.9 is already being tested, so you have to understand the price will move further. Okay, 2.8 or 2.9, this level is already being tested, the support, so chances will be high the price will fall further low and can touch a level of 2.74, and if that didn't sustain, further downfall we can see towards 2.65. once started falling below 2.65, chances will be high it will go further low towards a level of 2.4 and it will touch a level of $3. Okay, once the price started sustaining at 2.3, a bounce back can come, or if started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see towards $2. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like